Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Empower Cash Account Investments, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Empower Cash Account Investments, begin by logging into your Empower account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Investments section on the dashboard. Look for the Cash Account option within the Investments area. Click on the Cash Account to view your available balance and transaction history. Next, locate the Withdraw button, typically found near your account balance. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to select the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired withdrawal amount in the specified field. After inputting the amount, choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. Common withdrawal methods may include direct bank transfer or check. Once you've selected your withdrawal method, review the details for accuracy. If everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal has been submitted. Check your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. Keep an eye on your account for notifications about the transaction processing. Your funds will typically be available in your chosen account within a few business days. Ensure to monitor your account after the withdrawal to verify the completion of the transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.